Okay, so I'm going to be basically taking you through using our training portal. So first you need to head over to microbooksacademy.com. You're going to go to Google and you're going to select MicroBooks. You're going to input microbooksacademy.com, and once you enter that, you should see our logo in the middle of the screen, and it sometimes takes a little while for the site to load. Okay, once the website is loaded, then you would need to log in, and I was already logged in, so I'm going to log out so you can see how to log in. So if you are not logged in, you will see the login or sign up button. If you already was registered by your admin, then you just need to sign in. If not, you need to use the sign up, and you fill in all of that information. Alright, so if you already have an account, if your account was already registered, the only thing you need to do is to click login, and you enter your email and your password, and it takes you to the portal. So once you're in the portal, you will basically you go to the My Courses section. So basically, once you enroll in a course, you will see the course in the My Courses section. Right, and once you click on the My Courses section, you will see all the course content and basically all the meetings, and you can just select go to course to begin. So it's very easy. You have overview, you have course content, you have live classes, question and answer, announcement, you have quizzes, you also have assignments, and you have an appointment section. So it's pretty easy to use, and persons who have an issue signing into the system can contact me, and we'll get you signed up to the system.